Do you have life insurance? Then this video is for you. The 3 things you need to know about life insurance beneficiaries. Number 1, don't pick the wrong person. Life insurance companies are not going to pay out to who you wanted, who's in your will, or to whoever else. They're going to pay based on what's on your beneficiary form. So first off, make sure that that person you have on your beneficiary form is correct and up to date. Now, what happens is life changes come along. We don't always know what the future holds. So we write down a beneficiary form, life changes, and then we forget to go back and change the form. So if it's been a little while since you've changed your beneficiary form, be sure to update it and ask yourself, is the person that you listed on there still have the ability to receive a life insurance payout? Does the person that you have picked have they been suffering from any disability? Do they have any financial instability that's new? Or are they unfortunately suffering from any addiction or other kinds of issues that might not make them the best pick anymore? If they've changed, and if that's changed, maybe talk about some other options with an elder law attorney. The elder law attorneys oftentimes can discuss about trusts, settlement options, and things like this that would benefit exactly. It's very often important to ask your insurance agent about the various options the insurance companies offer. They have lump sum payout options. They have interest-only payout options. They have installments where they'll pay it out over a certain number of years. And the last one, not always so popular, but still a good option can be, is a lifetime payout. It's kind of like a pension. And then, so there's a few other options that you can ask about there. The second thing you need to know about life insurance is to make sure that you always assign contingent and tertiary beneficiaries. Here's what happens. If you just list one person on your beneficiary form and they predecease you, here's what is likely going to happen. The insurance company is going to wait until the matter goes through the probate court, and then it's going to be up to the judge and the attorneys involved and others to figure out who should receive this money. Flash forward, hint, it may not be somebody you wanted, or it may be, but it's best to solve those things up front. That's why you start with the primary beneficiary, add in a contingent beneficiary. So if your primary beneficiaries predecease you, then there'll be the contingent beneficiaries. And if they predecease you, then there'll be the tertiary beneficiaries. If you've set up a trust, then you don't have to worry about secondary, contingent, or tertiary beneficiaries because the trust will handle that for you. And the third thing you need to know about life insurance beneficiaries is to never, ever, ever name a minor as a direct beneficiary. That would end up again forcing the insurance company to turn it over to the probate court, and then for the probate court to determine, which could mean that all of the details you wanted to keep private are now public information. And again, the person who may end up being the custodian for the minor may be somebody you don't want. Maybe it'll work out perfect, maybe it won't. It's like rolling the dice. Why not settle it up front by setting up a UTMA, which is a Uniform Transfer to Minors Act custodian, or UGMA, Uniform Gift to Minors account. There's ways that you can set up both of those either way, depending on the laws of your state. And that's what the importance of having a elder law attorney in addition to your insurance agent is good for. I'm Lenny Burton, CLU. You can find me at policydad.com. I am a licensed insurance agent in 3 states, Florida, Indiana, and Ohio. This content is intended to be educational in purpose and does not imply advice, which can only be given in a one-on-one meeting between a licensed insurance professional and you. I'm certainly always glad to answer questions and be as helpful as I can, so please send an email, leave a comment below, and while you're at it, hit that like and subscribe and follow button, and stay tuned for our next content. I'll be looking forward to seeing you then. Again, I'm Lenny Burton. You can find me at policydad.com. Have a great day.